Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all class 5th EVS. Yes students, so you already learned 2 sessions. Today we will start the session number 3, that is the nature of matter. Yes, so in this lesson what we will be learn. So here in this lesson we will start the effect of heat on matter. So what is the mean here we can understand it. So effect of heat on matter. So they can given here one of the activity, that is, see here, this is the stand ring, the iron ball is passing here. Yes, see here. So this is activity. So as shown in the picture, fix a metallic ring to a stand. This is a metallic ring to a stand, and so that a bob can just pass through it. That bob, this is a bob, it can be just pass through it in a ring. Yes, so take a pendulum of an iron bob and try to pass it through the ring. Whereas we can be taken as a pendulum, can be try to pass the ring. It will passing in the ring or not, we can be finding. Yes, so this is what showing this activity is effect of heat on matter. So this is one of the matter. Bob is one of the matter. So if we can be heat this one, what will happen? Yes, we can see here. So did the bob pass through in the ring? So did the bob pass through in the ring? So this is first we can be started here. Okay. So here see in the after what happening when the ring or when the bob is heat, when the bob is heating. Now the heat the iron bob. Now that means here heating the iron bob. Yes. So after heating, what happening here? Same way, fixing the stand. If you can be passing here, or we are passing into the ring, so it will passes or not. It will passes or not. See here, did it pass through it ring? Yes. Yes, it cannot be passing through it ring. Because of why it cannot be passing in the ring? Yes, tell me students. So here see, without heating it can be passing easily. After heating the bob cannot be passing. Because of why? Because the bob did not pass into the ring. So why means bob is expand when we heated. When we heated the bob, it will be expand the sizes. So it can't be passed in the ring. Understood? So it is the effect of heat on matter. Understood? So the iron is when we can be heat the iron, so it will expand. It will big. Yes. So we can understand it will expand, so it cannot be past the ring. Understood? This is the activity that is on effect of heat on matter. See the second activity what they can given here. Place an ice cube on a plate for 10 minutes. So take your ice cubes from the refrigerator and keep on plate for 10 minutes. So keep on plate for 10 minutes. What did you notice from so this is when we can be take out from the refrigerator. So after 10 minutes, so we will be take out from the refrigerator. So what we can be see the difference of both the ice cubes? Yes, any difference we will be finding here? Yes, we can find out the difference here. Is there any change in the ice cubes? So here we can understanding here the when we can be take out from the refrigerator, that time ice cube after 10 minutes, so we will be kept in outside. So that's the ice cube. So what we can be see the difference of both ice means ice cube is here melting. Because of why? Because of the temperature. So here the size become a smaller or also reduced compared to before ice cubes. Understood? So we can understanding. So why it can be melting? Because when it is in a refrigerator in a 0 temperature, so when we will be take out from in a room temperature, it will be melted. Understood? This is the second activity. Okay. Another one activity they can given here, see students. So what they can given here, take a small glass bottle filled with the colored water and up to half its volume. How much you will be filling? Take a glass bottle So what you will be filling here? So you will be fill half of colored water, half of bottle will be pix a colored water, and so close it with a single hole cork. So we will be close here single hole cork, through a single hole cork we will be insert, what will be insert? So transparent tube, what we will be insert? In the bottle. So we will be insert a transparent tube in the bottle. Okay, so after this bottle, so take and shake well, like, so you can hold this bottle and like it will be shake well. What happened? Okay, so take a bottle, that is a single cork. Okay, so single hold, in that hole we will be fix a one transparent tube. So after is there colored water inside, so after you will be shake well. So what happened after? Now roll the glass bottle between your palms as shown in the picture, they can mention here. So observe the water level in the tube and write here. Yes, so after shaking of water bottle, so what happening here? So here the water is filling in the tube. So here in the water is filling in the tube. So here we can understanding water level is rises in the tube. When we will be shake, the water level is rises in the tube. Yes. So what is the change it has taken to place inside the bottle due to a rubbing by farms and why? So what we will rubbing on the farm. So it will be rises the water level. Why it can be rises the water level? Because water is expanding here. What is? Water is expanding in the bottle. Okay, understood? Okay, this is the third activity, that is heat on effect. Okay, so from this all above activity we can understood that matter gets changed when heated. Overall these three activity, what we will be finding here? Matter can be expanded when we heated. Yes, so this is a what effect of heat on temperature, matter. So matter expands on heating, hence solid, liquid and gas. Yes, so it can be heating on expand. So here right, they can be given here following object. Candle, when it will be melts, it means candle also it can be, no, you know that is candle. So melts when it will be heat. It will also melting when we will be heat. Rice in a cooker. Cooked rice becomes soft. Raw rice, see here, after you can be see the cooked rice. So we can see the difference of both. Then water. So hot water boiling. So how it is? So when we will be kept on water heating, the evaporation will be going. So when the water is boiling time. Okay. So this all we can understanding. So what? The expandation of heating on matter. Okay. So change its in the states of matter. So states of matter, how it can be changes. We can see here. See. Yes, see here. So write the states of matter, they can be given here. So ice cube on heating. What happened? Ice cube on heating. So if we can be heat the ice cube, it will become what? Water. It will become water. So next one they can given here. Second one, water on heating. Water on heating. What happened? If we can be heat the water, so it will become as water vapor. So it will become water vapor. Yes. So vapor on cooling. Water vapor on cooling. Vapor on cooling. What happens when we will be cool a water vapor? It will become as water. Yes. Next, water on cooling. If you can be cool a water, what happens? Water on cooling, it will become ice. Okay, understood? When ice cube on be heated, it will become water. Yes, so water, when we will be heating, we will start water, it will become as a vaporizing. Yes, water, it will become vaporizing. When vaporize is on cooling, it will become water. So when water on heating, when water on cooling, it will become as ice. Understood how the change of matter should changes? Okay, states of matter, it will changes. So matter changes its states from one form to another form due to the heat. This is we can call as change in states of substances. What we can call in matter changes its state from one form to another. One form to another due to heat. So it is called as what we can call change in states of matter, substances. Yes, so we can call as matter when changes its state from here one form to another form, like here. So in heating, vapor form to water, water form to ice form to water. So when it can be changes from one form to another, this is we can call as change in its states of substances. Okay, yes. On heating, many solids change into a liquid state. Effect of heat on matter depends upon the level of hotness. So here, on the increases in the heat, solid changes into liquid. Yes. On heating, many solids changes into a liquid state. It means, so on heating time, any solid, we can see here, see students. So when we will solid, we will take as, so when the solid is heating, it will become as in liquid form. So when the liquid form again we will heating, it will form as in a gas. Okay, so in this gas form, we will cool the gas, it will become in a liquid form. Okay, so again liquid we will cool this one, so it's again in the original form, that is in solid form. So what we can be given example for this one means ice cube. So ice cube you can be given example for this one. So when it will be solid, we will heat that, it in liquid form, again we will heat that, it is in a gas form, again we can cool, comes in a liquid form, again we can cool, it will comes in a solid form as in a same ice cube. Understood? Yes. So this is we can going to study as what? So changes in substances, so state of substances. Okay. So they can given here another one activity. Take a broken piece of a glass bangle. By heating that, it will be bend it into in a required shape and stick it in a on a cardboard. Yes. So this is also one of the activity, that glass bangles, you can take a glass bangle, so you will heat that, it will bends. Yes, so it will bends, so it will, so like you will be make a chain like system, so will be put on a cardboard. Yes, so you will try this one. If you have learned from the previous experiment, that is objects expand on heating. Yes, so we all learned what objects expand on heating. So same way they can be given here. See the another one activity, blacksmith. So change some metals into a required shape by heating. So here blacksmith, so he is changes a metal. So when we will be heated metals, we can be given a required shape. Okay, so he can be heated the shape, what it is, metals, he can give a required shape to that. So why iron is heated, why we means iron is heated, think and write, they can be given here. So iron and other metals become soft, so that's why that iron is heating. So iron is very hard material, but when we will be heating, it will comes in a soft form, so we will bend, so required shape. Okay, so this is an activity. That's so heat transmits from one object to another object. So example, ironing the clothes, so we can given here, heat transmits from one object to other object, means iron when we will be heated, it will transmit to a, when we will be ironing the clothes, so transmit to a cloth. Yes, this is a transfer from one form to, as one object to other object. So write an example of for changes in object due to heat. So cooking of food also we can be given for the example of what changes object when due to heat. Okay, yes. So next we are going to that sublimation. Okay, see here they can given here sublimation. So first we can see the activity. Yes, see next we are going to as sublimation. Okay, so this is the next heading. So in this sublimation they can be given here one of the experiment, so that they can given here, see this experiment. So they can taken here one of the stand, so above they can be given here one of the dish. So this is a, we can call as inverted funnel. So this is a cotton, so they can be put into the funnel cap. Okay, so they can given here, so here see naphthalene crystals, so like this is form naphthalene crystals. This is evaporating dish, this is naphthalene vapor. We can see here the experiment, so that is sublimation. Yes, see the experiment, take a few naphthalene balls in an evaporating dish. So few of naphthalene balls we can call as, ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಾಂಬರ್ ಗುಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಕರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅವನ್ನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಈ ಡಿಶ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, few of, and close it with a glass funnel like inverted. So this is we can call as a glass funnel. What we can call, that is glass funnel, they can be kept in inverted, ulta ittirodike enanta kartivi inverted. Okay, then take some cotton and close the other end of the funnel. So funnel idu one end anna nav ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, close ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, then heat the dish slowly. So throw a burner, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ heat ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬರ್ನರ್ ಥ್ರೋ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಟಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಹೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, then see what happening, naphthalene converts into a milky vapor. So naphthalene ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತದು, ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೀಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು, ಸೊ ಹೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಿಲ್ಕಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅ ವೆಪರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಿಲ್ಕಿ ವೆಫರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದ ವೆಪರ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ naphthalene vapors are forming here like a milky form. Okay, so then and will be collected in the inner side of the funnel. So after it will be goes and in settle like in an inverted funnel like this, because it can't go, because why, we can be close the end of the funnel, yes, through a cotton. So that's why all the milky vapor is settled into the here where in the funnel. Yes, okay, then stop heating and observe what happens. So after heating, when we will be collected inner side of the funnel, all the naphthalene is, so it will be evaporated and collected in the inverted funnel, that is we can call as a naphthalene crystals. It will form as in a crystal form, it cannot be in a, when we will be heated some of the what materials or some of the or substances, it will get in a liquid form. But here see we can say see this one, when we heated naphthalene, it will be collected in a form of crystals. How? So it is collected in a form of crystals. So here observe what happens in next. Okay, so naphthalene remains in a solid form, so it is in a inverted funnel. Understood? So it is we can call as a, so this is the experiment of sublimation. Yes, so you all know that is what this experiment. Yes, so what is you can thinking that what is the meaning of sublimation? Yes, now we will start here. So we know that when solids are heated, they are converted into a liquid form and a vapor. Already you studied like that. Okay, so similarly when we cooling, the vapors are converted into a liquid forms, then it is in a solid form. See here, see, when we will be heated this one solid form, it will become a vapor, and next it will in the form of solids. It means in a crystal form. Yes, but some solids on heating directly converted into their vapor state and in the form of next is, that is in liquid, that is in solid form, that we can call as a sublimation. Yes, so here some of the solids on heating directly, those are converted into their vapor state and vice versa without passing through the liquid state, and this is we can call as a sublimation. What we can call? This is we can call as a sublimation. So again we can be collect in a solid form. Yes, so appearing form after we can collect a solid form, that is we can call as a sublimation. So what are the examples we will be given for a solid form? Yes, so that is examples are camphor. Yes, so and also iodine also we can be given an example for what? Sublimation. Naphthalene, camphor and iodine. These all are the example for what? Sublimation. Okay. Yes. They can given here another one activity. Students, see here. So what happens to a naphthalene ball kept in an almirah after few days? Yes. So in your home, see the in almirah. So what happening? Some of the your mom will some of the naphthalene balls they will be kept in inside the what? Cloths. Because of why they will be kept? Some insects are biting the what? Cloth. So that's why if they can be smelly there inside the cloth, that naphthalene smell, so that is the insects are don't bite. Yes, so after some days it will be what? We will be kept into the what? So naphthalene balls into the what? Cloths. So after some days it will become what? Smaller. Because of why? Because this is in a vapor state and also it is in a disappear. What? Naphthalene balls. Okay. Yes. Next one activity see here. Light a wax candle and observe what happens to the wax after some times. Now put off the candle and observe what happens to the melted wax and write here. Yes. Light a wax candle first. Observe what happening in the wax. Waxes are melting. Yes. Sometimes you can see after you can be put off the candle and observe what happens to the melted wax. Yes. So on heating the flame, so is on candle melts, then on putting off the flame, so the wax is solidified again. Yes, this is the what? Example. Yes. So example they can given here, see, solid, yes, liquid, then gas. Okay, solids, liquid, gas we can give an example for here. Ice we can given ice solid when it can be heating, so it will become as liquid. When we can be cooling, it will become as what it is? Solid, liquid. Sorry, this is again solid. When we will be cooling, it will again become as a what? Solid form. So then solids again liquid form, no, gas form, then solid form. What are the example we can be given here? So when we will be heat the camphor, yes, so given example for camphor, when we will be heat the camphor, it will become as gas. Again we can be cool, it will become as what? Solid. Same way when we will be heated, it will in a liquid gas form. After it will be settled like in a what? Solid form. Understood? So this is about what? Sublimation. Yes, tomorrow we'll see the next topic, that is here continuation of this lesson, mass. Okay, tomorrow we'll see the continuation of this lesson. Thank you for watching.